My check. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Looks like we're okay. Couldn't stream yesterday on day 12. I mean, there wasn't really much to really show. It's kind of got stuck again. Didn't make anything interesting, but I still posted something on Twitter. So today, I don't think it's gonna be any different. Should honestly change the title to "Trying to Learn Bifrost" at this point. So this is for the peeps on the replay. I'd say this in the beginning. So give me a second though. Still need a little bit more time. Forgot to Alright, so welcome to Bifrost Day 13. Just to repeat myself, couldn't stream yesterday. It wasn't really much to show. But it wasn't because of that, I just couldn't stream. So, I like to also say too that not every day I'll be able to stream, but I'm still gonna make something somehow, and I always post the final images on my Twitter. So if you're interested, you can check that out. So today it's another day of struggling, trying to learn this freaking thing. So I'm just gonna mess around with the arrow stuff. So let me... I should have done this in the beginning. Shoot. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. It's just gonna be another short stream. Right now... about like 20-minute stream, whatever. There you go. And yeah, just still trying to figure this out. And honestly, I don't think I've made any substantial progress at all. Like, the only thing I've learned so far is cloth. That's it. On the 13th day. Still... can't... I don't know. I thought it was going to be a lot more easier, but... severely underestimated the amount of stuff that's in here on Bifrost. So... I'm still debating whether or not I should continue and kind of just switch to something else for the remainder of the month. So like on Monday, February 15th, I'll make that decision. So like 2 more tries with this thing. 2 more tries and see if I can even try to do this anymore. Doesn't mean I quit, it just means like I just can't try to like jam it, trying to learn in like 30 minutes to an hour, because this is the only time I'm on Bifrost, because after I end the stream, I pretty much don't touch it until pretty much the next day. So as you can see here, kind of set up the arrow, basic arrow thingy-majiggy, and this is pretty much what I have right now. Let this thing render. Or not render. Simulate. And that's it. That's all there is. I have no idea what else to do. So I'm just gonna... I have this other scene opened on another window, so I'm just gonna copy and paste the freaking notes onto this one and see what happens, cause I am starting to give up on this, like for real. So okay, what I was actually going to do was I'm gonna open up ZBrush real quick. I'm just gonna export the anime head into this one, cause if I can try to figure out this fire thing, then I'll be able to do what I would like to do, is to make Endeavor for my hero. The actually remesh this is quite dense. I honestly do not care if it's give me a second. Give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds. Yeah, that's fine, so whatever. Okay, I'm gonna export it real quick. You can't see anything right now. Just give me a sec. It's fine. So let's unhook that. We can just hide it. And just import the head. Just make it bigger. Just soften the edge, whatever. Then get it again. See what happens. Is this emitting from the actual head? It's not. So of course it doesn't work. So I guess I should just put a new scene. Let me do that again. Create a graph, and basic. Explode. What's that thing called again? Very source. Out to here. Oh, arrow volume, right? I think. Of course, it doesn't work. Okay, what am I doing wrong? Source air. Do I plug it in right? Already. Goes to show how much I suck. Okay, let me just open the other previous one. Yeah, arrow volume. Source air, enable air, simulate arrow. Yeah, okay, I think I might just do something else in Maya. It's just trying to do, oh my god, this sucks. Like, even if I do this, what am I even gonna make for today? That isn't gonna take, like, generations to freaking render. If I do something else, what should I do in Maya? Let me pull up the schedule here. Because I'm gonna have to spend a lot more time off stream, and that's not what I wanted to do. I wanted to actually show everything. But I just cannot do this. So this is Bifrost. It was anatomy sculpt, sketch, UV unwrapping. Realistic, automotive. Unless I go back to Blender and then just do something every day there for the rest of the month. Maybe I could do that. I could try to learn simulations over there instead. I could probably do that instead, because like basically when I do the animated shorts for December, that's kind of like the last thing I'll ever make in Maya, and then just move on to Blender. That's one of the reasons why I'm doing this. It's either that or I just oops. Okay, let's not show that right now. Make something every day in Maya, or try to do simulations in Blender instead. I don't know what to do. Because I have it exactly to how this is, but just look at this. I can't freaking learn this. I don't know what the heck any of these mean. I still don't know what they mean. Once. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Let's at least try to make it render. What am I doing? Damn it, standard volume. Because in December I did sculpt every day in Blender. If you go to my YouTube channel, you'll see the playlist for that there. Did it for a month, December, every day. And I like doing that. I really enjoyed that big time. And I thought doing this would have the same level of inspiration, but it's really beating me down. What is surface? Surface, right? What was the volume? Let's just go here and... Because when I download like compounds from Autodesk too, they don't even work. I don't know if I'm even installing it correctly. Looked everywhere, read every freaking forum. And someone asked the question that I would ask, and then they just pointed to something else. You know, it's not a 100% solution to it. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm being too negative. Let's just continue with this. Apologize for the negativity. Okay, meanwhile that tries to load up. It's trying to render right now, so it's frozen. It's completely frozen. Oh, there you go. And let me load up here. So, well, actually, I need to press play. It was volume, right? Or was it surface? Yeah, it was volume and then sphere mesh. It should show up something. It's not showing up. Okay, yeah, standard. So like, why isn't it not working? Maybe, oh, maybe it's because I'm doing the cloud one. Oh my god, that one's just frustrating too. It took me like 4 hours to even figure this out. Okay, so that worked. But right now it's just a sphere. It's nothing too interesting. I mean, we got basic smoke going on right now. That's about it. Let me do a play blast. Yo, 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 yo. Okay, okay. Can I? Let's play this instead. So, very basic shape. So, like, how would one? How would one? Okay, I don't have that noise operator, and I can even unless I. Okay, let me do this real quick. Yeah. Sound test. What is this? How do I open a compound? Okay, let's just skip that. I don't have that, whatever. I have very source, I have that one. Randomized operator? Hello? Operator? No? Looks like I do not have it. Randomize. Oh, it's because it's the compound. It's custom. Of course. Okay, let's skip that one too then. Let's go to source air. Okay. Source fuel. Fuel source. So just do that. Pretty much just copy and pasting this other graph here. I'll tab in. Wait. Okay, it's how does that look? I'm so dumb. Okay. Let's do that again. Okay. Still looks the same. Yeah, this is like stuff that you really have to spend time on. Ignition. I probably should have moved learning Bifrost way later in the year. Just focus more on modeling, some other stuff. Ugh. God, I didn't even read any of it. I just scrolled through it. Yeah, I don't know what else to do. Like, if one, the heck is if? Insane. It's even more insane. God. This is not enjoyable at all. Sorry again, I'm being way too negative. Sorry. I'm trying to think what can I do with this very basic smoke? Something interesting. Unless I just animate something through it. Let's try to figure that out. I have no idea. So That didn't do anything at all. Yeah. Okay. Alright, so like a nuke just went off. So the sphere had no influence whatsoever. And then putting that, I don't even know what this is. Didn't seem to change anything. Yeah. Yep, I am defeated. It's just too slow to really see anything, so mission failed on trying to make fire. So instead of using Bifrost, I'm gonna show you how I make clouds. So, and pull up one of the stuff I made. Why does it show the folder, man? Come on.